she'd rather have a four-wheel drive. Where's her cowboy boots? Yeah, she ain't got no tan lines. You ought to see her with nothing on. Makes a man do no wrong. Yeah, she's homegrown.
All right, for the final grind, we're going Sonora. Huevos rancheros, tacos, burritos, nachos, tostadas, enchiladas. I mean, anything that's Mexican food related. Even Clint says this is the best Mexican food rub that he's ever used, best spice he's ever used on tacos, whatever. So here we go with the Sonora, our final grind.
Loves her Friday nights, lazy Saturday.
This thing can handle it. This thing can handle it.
School on time, loves to hear Granddaddy say grace. Cooks cornbread and fried green tomatoes, sweet tea, peas, and potatoes.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this straight upstairs.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna throw down on a little taco with the Sonora, and then I'm gonna do the swine grind with some eggs and have you try it. Yeah. Since you need to eat 4,300 calories a day for your baseball career.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta eat, right?
Yeah.
Who told you that?
A personal trainer.
You have a personal trainer?
Yeah.
How old are you?
18.
Oh, you know what I was doing when I was 18? I was lifting car batteries. I was a master mechanic. Changing out master cylinders, oil pans, spark plugs.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, all that. Yeah, he did all of our toy cars.
How do you have a
all our
personal
toy cars
trainer when you're
growing up.
18? All right, let's go upstairs and do this on the side of the picture.
Couldn't cross the cornrows, I lost my can of scope. From the dash of my pickup truck, trying to make it to my favorite fishing hole. Yeah, the boys.
24 hours from the time, basically, we were hunting and killed him, to grinding him, to now eating him.
Pretty awesome lifestyle.
Steve was a little hungover from the long night before. From my hair, the dog that bit it and shoved us from the shore. Was the middle of June, it wasn't getting hotter, and cold bush light going down like water. Catching catfish was the last thing on my mind. But me and the boys having good Mississippi times. Yeah, me and the boys having good Mississippi times.
We're making real quick tacos. This snow goose was flying around yesterday, killed 102 of them with the Merlo Waterfowl boys. Absolutely awesome hunt in the fog. Less than 24 hours later, we put the meat grinder to work. These tortillas are gonna be phenomenal too. Olive oil, key for tortillas. Snow goose, look at that, check it.
Is a place to be when the sun goes down. Good place to see the cutoffs on Becky Joe.
Oh, this is gonna be phenomenal. Okay, watch this, you flip it over. Watch this, Parmesan cheese right across the entire tortilla. Then you're gonna grab your Sonora rub. You're gonna decorate it with a little red. Then a tiny pinch of salt, excuse my reach. This is the perfect tortilla. Look at that tortilla.
Mississippi times. Yeah, the best ones never cost a dime. We were raised in the Delta, had swamp in our veins, houses on wheels and dogs on chains. Love our mamas and we love our daddies.
Jamie, please come in here. Look at this tortilla, please. Tell me if you've ever tasted the best taco. I'll wait over here, I'll wait. How is it?
That was the best tortilla.
Zane, you're up. Are you just saying that, Jamie?
Tortilla, not the meat. You really know how to cook them tortillas.
Pretty good. Good? Got a good flavor without too much like saltiness, you know?
It's really good, huh?
Yeah,
You like?
Real good, thank you.
You gonna eat the whole thing? You gonna share it? Not with me. There you got it. Sonora, snow goose, tacos, green onion, crema. And that's all that we pretty much got on there besides the cheese. We have that Parmesan on the tortillas and it sets it off. Learned that a long time ago from a local Mexican restaurant up from our hometown in Reno, Nevada. A little squirt of lime. Think outside the box. That meat grinder did it again. Snow Goose, like it's our job. We're going after him again tomorrow with Laird Hammerlin, President and CEO of Safari Club International. Can't wait. Hopefully there's no fog. We're going to be blessed with some sunshine and some wind, a little chill in the air. Maybe hit that century mark again. Chad Belling, the Fowl Life Television and the Provider Life. Get yourself some of these rubs, the new Provider Cookbook. It's worth it. I promise you. Let us know what you think. DM us at info@theproviderlife.com. Appreciate all the support. Talk to y'all soon.